Caitlin Wilson, and I'm an interior designer, and this is my home that I designed for our family. We love this area. It has great schools, and I really wanted something traditional. So I designed the plan. Actually, I drew it out on paper myself, and I wanted kind of the traditional colonial with the circular floor plan, but a little bit updated, a little bit fresher, and I wanted it to function for our family really well, so I added things that aren't as traditional. The mudroom is not a traditional feature, but it is so functional. Entering from the side of the house is really great because my kids come in from playing or they come in from school and they all have a locker, and it's a great cement tile floor, hides a lot of dirt, and it's just a great space to keep organized. I mean, nothing ever has to be seen. All the shoes are in the drawers, all the jackets and backpacks are in the cubbies, and it's just a great feature. Some of my favorite features in the home are the solid white oak floors. They're really light and airy, and so it just keeps the house fresh and clean. And then also the smooth walls. I wanted to make sure that, the highest of quality was in this home, and so all of the walls are smooth, no texture. There's shiplap in the main living areas. We have a beautiful modern Chippendale staircase and really just great quality millwork throughout the home. The kitchen is really the center of the home, and so it's a very large space, and it has a really large island for us to not just eat on, but my kids do their homework there, and they do Play-Doh, and we do a lot of baking in our home, and so I wanted to create custom drawers for the flour and the sugar so that we could just make that, a family tradition. It would be easier for us, and it's just been so fun to use all of those features and to really enjoy them. I really wanted the master retreat to be a special space that was very relaxing and serene. And so we added the fireplace, of course, and it has great light. So we actually used what would have been another bedroom to be the master bathroom. So it's an oversized space with a huge bathtub that my kids love to be in, and it allows us to get ready and be doing our thing while our kids take baths. And the master shower is totally luxury, and the heated floors, the separate vanities. I've added custom drawers for blow dryers and curling irons. I wanted to have a larger office for us, and one that's not just a study that you kind of close the doors. I wanted it to be something that was beautiful but also functional, and so rather than having a formal dining room, which it could work as, I added these gorgeous built-ins against the walls so we could display things, and it could just be more of a feature when you walk into the house. I love the light in the home. I think that the great part about this corner lot is that you do get a lot of light at all times of the day, especially at the end of the day as the sun's setting. The front of the house just gets this warm glow, and it's just magical. I love this home. It has been such a dream to live in it and to see how the design actually functions. As an interior designer, I love creating new spaces and seeing how things flow, and for our family this has just been perfect. I would hope that the next family in this home not just appreciates the function that it serves for a family and the way that it flows, but also the design details.